Wednesday morning, Troy University hosted its annual Helen Keller Lecture series. This year marked the 23rd year the lecture has taken place on the campus of Troy University. The guest speakers for the event were a cornea transplant recipient named Cameron Stovall and the ophthalmologist who performed his operation, Dr. Robert Morris. Stovall was involved in a freak accident that caused him to lose one of his 5 senses for a period of time.
Keep it short, I was in a hunting accident. I lost my vision, and I've experienced a lot of things that I never thought I would experience. I was 26 at the time, and when all this happened, and I had 20/20 vision, I had a great job, and the adversity that I had when I woke up in the hospital and had no vision, had tubes down my throat, it was shocking to me.
The very same day of Cameron Stovall's accident, he was told alongside his parents that he would never see again. However, this was far from correct. Stovall recovered with his parents right by his side. His mother Mary discusses how her son came into contact with Dr. Morris.
We actually had seen several doctors, probably 5, 6, 7 doctors in the ICU who had determined that Cameron would not have any vision at all. He would be totally blind the rest of his life. And then Dr. Morris came on the scene, and he did his first surgery about 7 days after the initial accident.
Well, Cam had shotgun pellets enter and exit both eyes, and one eye the pellet went out through the optic nerve, so that eye didn't have a chance. In the other eye, the pellet went out adjacent to the optic nerve, so that eye we were able to get, after 17 operations, we were able to get back half his eyesight. And that makes a difference for the rest of his life. For the next 50 years of his life, he won't be walking with a white cane, he'll be walking on his own.
Stovall discussed how although he would love to have his eyesight back, he has been able to encourage so many people on a daily basis just by going through his accident and keeping a good attitude about the entire process of his recovery. Antonio Reese, TrojanVision News.